Thanks for tuning into the Blade Ops YouTube channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Catch all our latest videos. Today we're taking a look at the Boker Papillon. This Balisong knife has a blade length of 4.57 inches and is sporting that D2 steel. Really like the blade shape and design on that. Looks awesome. Close length on this is 5.63 inches and is sporting these stainless steel scales. They're skeletonized, had some weight reduction, and the weight on this guy is only 4.34 ounces. And action on this is so smooth. Overall length is 10.2, and lockup on this is fantastic. No blade play or wiggle or anything whatsoever. Again, this is the Boker Papillon, and you can pick yours up today at Blade Ops.